जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. Rama, I also do know that you would never be willing to harm any entity in this entire world, even from the beginning of a small ant. What happened to that tenderness, Rama? Oh, my dear brother Rama, you always wish for the welfare of the entire universe. What happened to that, Rama? Oh Rama, you are the personification of, you are an embodiment of all great qualities and attributes. What happened to that? Chandre Lakshmi Rama, in the moon there is light only. Prabha Surya, in the Surya there is only Tejas. Gatihi Vayu, in the Vayu there is only one quality that is spreading all over. Bhuvi Kshema, in the earth there is only one quality, that is endurance, that is patience. But in you, oh my dear brother Rama, all those qualities are there in you. On top of that, you have a great effulgence, great fame. Rama, please do not give up any of your divine great qualities. Oh Rama, do you see here? There is only one chariot is looking here on this earth, which is broken to pieces and pieces. I can also see only one person's footprints. That means it is understood that only one person did some kind of wrong thing to Sita. Ekasya na aparadhena lokan hantum tvamarhasi. Rama, for just one person's mistake, you should not be destroying all the worlds, Rama. Like this, Lakshmana is trying to pacify Sri Ramachandra Swami, console Sri Ramachandra Swami, and convince Ramachandra Swami not to destroy all the worlds. Lakshmana is saying to Rama that, oh Rama, for the mistake done by one single person, you please do not punish the entire world. Rama, look at here. This chariot broke down into pieces. We do not know whose chariot this one is. We do not know who broke this chariot. Oh Raja, Rama, it looks like here there is a fight, big fight has taken place, Rama, and we can see the footprints of only one person. We don't see an army, and there are no footprints of any more other people. That is why we can understand that there is only one person has done a mistake, a wrong thing to Sitamma. So Rama, please do not punish the entire world. Rama, sadatvam sarvabhutanam saranyaha paramagatihi, for all the entities. You are the one who is shelter to everyone. Oh Rama, please don't get angry on every entity. And also, in this world, nobody would be happy to bring any kind of troubles to you. And nobody can cause any kind of harm to you. That is why, O Raja Rama, yena rajan hruta Sita tam anveshitum arhasi. Let both of us start searching for Sita Devi. I will help you. I will be with you. And I am sure all the Maharshis also going to help us. Let us start searching for Sita until we get Sita. Let us go to all the mountains, all the forests, all the dens, all the oceans, all the rivers. Everywhere let us search. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.